Hello everyone, Robert Fixit here, and we're going to take a look at the Atomic Dewalt Impact and Drill Kit. These go usually for about $199. I found it for $159 on sale. And here's some specs here. This is the drill and this is the driver. 1700 torque and 3200 impacts per second or minute. Anyway, so this is what you get. There is a tool bag. It seems like they always come with a tool bag, but that's nice. I'm comparing this to the Makita kit that I used to have, and it got stolen. And I remember this was many years ago. The Dewalts were supposed to be better. And actually now the Makitas cost more than the Dewalt, so went ahead and got this. This Atomic set replaces the Max line. So if you see a really good deal on a Dewalt Impact kit, it might be the older Max. And I'm not sure what of the difference is between the Max and the Atomic. I know the Atomic's newer, it's supposed to be lighter. And then the XR is the heavy duty one. So here we have the battery, very small battery. Most people don't use these little ones. They upgrade to the 2 amp hour or 5 or whatever. These are 1.3 or 1.5. I'm not sure, I have to check. It says 1.3 online, but people were saying they were getting 1.5s instead. So there's 2 batteries, and let me show you this. That's the Impact. This is DCF 809 and the Atomic series. The Max is DCF, starts with a 787 or something like that. And here's the drill. And I'm not actually going to use the drill. So what I'm going to do is, since I got a good deal on this, is hopefully sell the drill and just keep the Impact. And then there's a attachment you can get to put in here that will let you use drill bits. And there's 3 LEDs. Very good. My old Makita only had 1 in the bottom. And when you would pull the trigger, sometimes your finger would cover the LED. So that's good. Drill, 2-speed. The drill is actually heavier than the Impact, which is weird. Not bad. A lot of speeds there, 15 different settings. And also, this is not included in the kit, but this is what people buy to go with it. This is just the screwdriver bits. Magnetic, a couple of hex 1/4 inch nut drivers, and some torque screwdrivers. That was only $10. That was on sale. Normally $13. And then there's the basic drill bit set, also on sale for $10. It has the 1/2 inch bit, which a lot of the sets don't have the 1/2 inch, so that's good. And then those 2 cases, they come together. So that's it.